That's a balloon salesman walking down in the street below me. Joker here from Yangon. Season 156. It's Peace, Love, and Understanding Week. So here's a little song called Peace, Love, and Understanding. As I walk through this wicked world, searching for light in the darkness of insanity, I ask myself, is all hope lost? Is there only pain and hatred and misery? 'Cause each time I feel like this inside, there's just one thing I want to know. What's so funny about peace, love, and understanding? Oh, what's so funny about peace, love, and understanding? As I walk on through troubled times, my spirit gets so downhearted sometimes. So where are the strong ones? And who are the trusted? And where is the harmony, sweet harmony? 'Cause each time I feel it slipping away, it just makes me want to cry. What's so funny about peace, love, and understanding? Oh, what's so funny about peace, love, and understanding? What's so funny about, 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 and what's so funny about peace, love, and understanding? Okay, we'll go with that.